Welcome everyone to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. We have a very young patient who has presented to our office today with a chief complaint of very long toenails. When was the last time you trimmed these toenails?
At least over 6 months ago.
Say 6 months. They apparently grow very, very fast.
Yes, my nails do grow fast. Even on my hands, they grow very quickly, and these are my own. So.
Okay, so I think that let's get to work. So we already applied the Tri-Soft. Now these are really brittle. Now some of these nails are definitely digging.
So I can't walk.
See there? It's already digging into the nail fold. Kind of come underneath here.
See how strong you gotta be. Gotta be strong.
You guys can see how everything, the nail has adapted completely and totally. We just want to be very careful here. You okay?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Super.
I'm just not a very good patient with anything. I apologize.
You're doing great. Okay, so let's take a look at the great toe here. Just a friendly reminder, if you guys are enjoying the video, please give us a like. Okay, let's take a look at the front here again. They're very
Hard as a rock. You can see why I don't have the strength to do it.
So let's cut this like this. Just try to relax a little bit. There you go. Cut the top a little bit more. Should feel a whole lot better already.
And I wear a spacer because that really helps a lot. I've been wearing it for years.
Let's go to the other side. Let's go ahead and these are really brittle. Even this one's really adapted. You guys will clearly see now. We'll start kind of like a little bit distal. See how that just like kind of broke off. Want to be very careful underneath. Yeah, you see, so I'm gonna hold it here. You okay, patient?
Yeah.
Okay. It's so dystrophic, but I know it's loose. The nail's completely loose.
So what do we do?
We're gonna carefully.
Oh. Oh,
There we go. Do you want me to give you some anesthesia?
No. No.
No anesthesia?
No. No.
Okay.
Phew. Almost. They look better. Now when that grows, it'll all grow out, right?
Yes.
Good. See, when you have an expert that knows what they're doing. Nancy, you taking a lesson? I know she loves stuff like this.
We have the nail, and then we have another.
Yeah, because it was rubbing on the nail of the
Yep.
big toe. That's how that happened. So I've been putting a bandage every day
Okay.
to stop it.
So what I'm going to do here is very carefully first address the nail like that, and then we'll address the rest, okay? Sorry about that.
You talking to me or to the film?
Not to you.
Oh, to me, okay. I know I'm in good hands, so I can't, not worried.
And feet.
Good hands and feet.
What up?
I wasn't thinking for a minute, sorry.
Ba-dum. We have a sense of humor.
You gotta have a sense of humor, believe me. That's why I love your name.
Thank you.
I love that name.
Thank you
George.
so much.
I really do.
Again, we come in on the side.
I said to Beth, I said, you gotta give me somebody who's very good at, you know how kind of a patient I am. Oh,
It's okay.
I forgot. Sorry.
It's okay. Just try to relax a little bit there. There you go. Patients get guarded, you know, all this cookie stuff. It's probably been there for years. Being a little bit more aggressive on this side just because I know, you see? Let's go to the other side again. Just so she doesn't end up with a ingrown toenail. Take the curette very lightly. Very light. Again, this is a sharp curette. Okay, a little bit here. Today we're sitting in the room that we never sit in, closest to where all the action happens outside. So for the background noise, that we apologize. We are an extremely busy office. Okay. Let's go to the other side. I'll take a little bit of this. Get all that there. This is very fragile. Everything looks great. So we're gonna go ahead now and the patient's a little bit ticklish, maybe? Yeah. Yeah. You can actually see where the nail was actually digging right in there. Excuse me. Even here in this corner, right over here. The word is try not to move, okay? I know. Very gentle. Okay? Very gentle. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Beautiful. Super. Excellent. I'm going to be very careful just because I don't want the Dremel to hit the skin. Let me flip this way a little bit. There we go. Let me get a little bit of this corner here. Super.
I couldn't stop myself from moving, sorry.
Ticklish?
Ticklish, yes.
This is the one that I really want to try to bear here with us.
Yep.
Just because this is the one that was really, really bad. Super.
Better already.
Yeah, I agree. Go ahead and apply a little bit of the Tri-Soft first.
Could I ask?
You can ask anything.
What about the corn? Do we just leave that?
Oh, no, no, no. We'll then definitely take care of that.
Oh.
Okay.
Looks like I got new feet. Oh, Nancy, that was terrible.
How was that?
Oh, that was good. You're going to tell me how to take care of them.
Absolutely.
Okay.
The whole enchilada.
The whole enchilada. All right. Okay. All right.
For all of the non-subscribers. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Comments, bring them on, as always. Make sure that your notification buttons are on. We continue to upload videos on a daily basis. We really appreciate all the interaction and engagement. I will definitely try to get to every single one of the comments. You know, people that in the world of podiatry, you know, we do everything not only from pediatrics to geriatrics. We do see individuals, you know, with long toenails. We see people with long toes. We do perform all types of, you know, within our scope, we do perform a lot of different procedures. And it varies, you know, state by state. You know, the most important thing is to, you know, in our case, we're very mindful that whether it's a simple corn, whether it's a complex reconstructive, you know, case for surgery, you know, we across the board, you know, we deliver the same experience, which is the most important, you know, at the core. It's one of our very important, you know, very important values.
Because you're caring.
It's important. It's being human. As always, have a nice weekend, everyone.